Assalamu alaikum students, welcome back to Global Public School online classes. In our previous class, we were talking about the earth, our living planet, in which we studied about the shape of the earth, and we studied about what do you mean, how many continents we have, how many oceans we have, and we studied about the latitudes and the longitudes, and also we studied about the northern hemisphere, the southern hemisphere, all that. So in this class of today's, we are going to study why do we call the time as local time, why do we call the time as standard time, and why do we call the time as international dateline. All that we're going to study here. So let's come to it. So here, the sun rays fall vertically on every longitude. I hope you know what is latitude and longitude by this time, students. The sun rays fall vertically on every longitude, and all places situated on the longitude will have the same time, that is 12 noon. So that is, we call it as a local time. The local time of a place is to be said on the basis of the longitude of that particular places. See here, so sun, here is the sunwards and the anti-sunwards. So base here is a day side and here is a night side, but the longitudes, so the sun falls vertically on the longitudes. That's why the local time will be variations, I mean the time will be varied here. So the local time, every longitude has its own local time. So this, as I said, the every local time will be varied. So if it is 12 o'clock here in India, then the 12 o'clock night in the USA. It's purely based on the difference of the longitudes here. So the next concept of here is standard time. I mean this time will be same for everyone. So the time based on the central meridian of a country is followed by the whole country. It is called as the standard time. Whereas see here, the lines which we will be here, based on the longitudes of that particular country, the standard time will be followed here. So in India, 82.5 degree longitude. So you can see here, this is the 82.5 degree longitudes which passes through Allahabad and the Uttar Pradesh. So the normally it is like our India GMT. The GMT time of India is 5 hours 30 minutes. 5 hours 30 minutes ahead of the GMT timing of the globe. You can see here the standard time, how exactly the prime meridian will be varying. And the next concept we are studying here, the time zones. See, I think you might have heard that maybe in their own countries, but if they go to the different districts or the states, the time will varies. The time will be varies, right? So that's the reason behind that is the time zone. In certain countries, the longitudinal extent is so large that they will have more than 45 longitudes. So because of which they will have the difference of 3 to 4 hours between their own countries. Such countries cannot follow a single time. You can see here, the whole country is divided into the different time zones. For example, Russia has 11 time zone, USA and Canada have the 5 time zones, and Australia has the 3 time zones. You can see that here, the Hawaii, Alaska, and here is they, based on the places of what the countries are. So based on that they have the different longitudes, based on that they'll have the different time zones. So students, I want you to write the meaning of local time, standard time, and the different time zones of the different world. I want you to write that as a homework for today's class and submit that through the Google Classroom app. If you have any doubts, you can reach out to me through the Google Classroom app itself. And till then, signing off. Take care, students. Stay safe, stay home, and keep your learning button on. Thank you so much, students. Allah Hafiz.